Hey guys, welcome back. Let's discuss few tricks and hacks of JavaScript which will help you achieve things with less code in a neat manner. Shortening console.log. Console.log is something which we use frequently while you write code in JavaScript. How can we avoid writing console.log again and again? Let's create a new variable where c equal to console.log.bind document, and now you can use this c. So c hello, this should do the job of console.log. Okay, so you don't need to write console.log each time. So hereafter, whenever you need to output something to console.log something, you can just write c and 1 into 2. This will give you the same output as console.log. Let's try the code where c equal to console.log.bind document. Now you can put c of hello and c of 2 into 4, 6. You'll get the same result of console.log. So now we can use this c function as the replacement of console.log wherever needed. Coming to the next one, setting default value. In the below code, you can see the name and age is been printed here. Okay, so the default value of name is set as John and age is set as 30. If it is passed, if the name and age is passed in the function, then the value will be reassigned. Okay, so this is kind of verbose. We can just avoid these 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, almost 8 lines of code. We can just replace it with so this means this is setting the default value. This means if param 1 is available, then the name will be the value of the param 1, or else it will take the value default value which is John. The same will apply for age as well. So let's print this and see the output. Okay, I'm pasting it here. Now if you invoke print data, you can see the name printed as John and age as 30. I'm not passing anything. Now I'm passing the value as gain 20. You can see the name printed as Kane 20. If the value is present, if the value is available, then it will print that value, or else it will print the default value. Coming to the next one, shortening conditions. Let's see the below code. Okay, so this is just checking if there is access. If has access is true, then navigate to dashboard. So this could be written as has access and navigate to dashboard. Yeah, so this 1 2 3 4 lines is equal to this one line. Let's test this. So for testing, we can just write it as console.log. Sorry. Okay, let's run this code first. You can see logged in printed. Now we can write the same thing as has access and console.log. Okay, you can see it is printed. It returns the same result. So what if you want to check the opposite condition? Just add the note and the function won't be executed. You don't see the console.log executed. Coming to the next one, console.table. If you want to print JSON data in a tabular format, you can use console.table. Let's take this JSON data as example. This has the list of cities in the JSON format. If you want to print this data in a tabular format, you can use console.table cities. This will print this data in a tabular format. Let's see the output. Okay, let's paste the JSON here, and now console.table cities. You can see the data, the JSON data in the tabular format here. So this will be useful when you are working with huge JSON data, where you can see the data in a tabular format, which will help you. Coming to the next one, caching array.length. Let's see this code. Here we are using the basic for loop to iterate to the array. So here we can see you have to calculate the array, the length of the array using the array.length function. So if you are writing like this, what happens is, if you have a big array, huge array, each time for each iteration, the JavaScript has to find the value of array.length, which is unnecessary, which is not needed. So what we can do is, we can just copy this line of code, we can just assign it to a length variable and use the length variable here. This will cause a huge impact if you are iterating through a huge array. So here the value of array.length is being saved to the length variable, and it is being used in the for loop. Thereby the JavaScript does not need to calculate the value again and again. That's all guys. If you find this content interesting, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Also, if you want me to explain any particular topic in JavaScript, please put it in the comment section. Thank you.